Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of affiliate marketing? Do you dream of creating a successful affiliate marketing business but don't know where to start? Look no further. Introducing the ultimate guide to launching a successful affiliate marketing business. This comprehensive guide is your roadmap to building a profitable affiliate marketing empire. Learn proven strategies, insider tips, and expert tactics from industry leaders who have achieved extraordinary success in the world of affiliate marketing. Imagine having the knowledge and confidence to generate passive income streams while enjoying the freedom and flexibility that an online business provides. Here is what you get with this comprehensive guide: a home study program designed to take you from fast start up to massive scaling. Inside the program is everything you need to start your new online affiliate marketing business. A done-for-you product and funnel to start promoting right away. When you join the program, you'll get access to premium offers you can promote as an affiliate and get 50% commission for every sale you make. Connect with like-minded experts and students to learn from and form lucrative partnerships with. You'll get access to a community where you'll be surrounded by people who already achieved what you're looking for. Total freedom. Live coaching calls each week with the latest strategies, tactics, and techniques that work now. Don't let another day go by without taking action towards your financial independence. Grab your copy of the ultimate guide to launching a successful affiliate marketing business today and unlock the secrets to building a lucrative online empire. Check out the description box now.